Okay,
Coco.
Ma'am Ging, no? So, dito lang ako nababahala sa sinabi mo na dry fasting,
Yes
two
po.
times ang experiences mo. And sa experience mo, it was a form of punishment.
Very much a form of punishment. But it was actually a disguise like a spiritual discipline on me.
Okay,
Because
but pero it was presented still as a disciplinary measure.
Yes
Okay.
po.
But have you seen dry fasting as a form of a ritual or not as a form of a punishment? Is it also practiced there?
Actually, there were two meanings, no? Of course, when we were instructed to do dry fasting, we would always consider it as our sanctification, as our cleansing on us, because we would always believe that because we were always made to believe that we were sinners, and we do accept that we were sinners, so we had to go through fasting.
In the two particular, sa mention mo kasi dalawa, ang particular
Yes po.
cases, hindi ko na matandaan yung mga months. Pero in your particular case, punishment.
At first, I did not consider it as punishment.
Now, wag yung consider, how was it presented to you? You have to undergo dry fasting as a punishment?
Spiritual discipline on the first,
Oh.
talaga spiritual discipline.
Kung andun yung discipline, punishment. Di ba? Okay. Yung
Yes po.
pangalawa,
Yes po.
yung pangalawa, was it what? A punishment also, yung pangalawa?
Mas lalong punishment on the second round. Maybe
Okay.
because they saw me alive still kicking. It was not their intention to really see me alive.
Okay.
That's why I had my second series of fasting.
But sa observation mo, tagal ka dyan sa kingdom meron, you also undergo fasting as a part of a ritual, not as a punishment. Tama?
Yes, there were many times.
As severe as dry fasting?
No, mine was actually was the worst.
Yun yung mga fasting na alam natin, yung babawasan
Yes,
mo lang yung
yes,
quantity ng kakainin mo, siguro ganun, ano?
Yes,
Yun ba yung meaning ng, yun yung sa ritual?
Yes,
Okay.
ritual.
Ngayon sa karanasan mo, ikaw kasi obviously nag-survive ka nung dry fasting mo as punishment eh. Sa personal knowledge mo, meron kayong kasama sa KOJC na nag-suffer ng masamang consequence as a result of dry fasting as a form of punishment?
Wala naman akong
Wala kang
alam
alam.
because I left 1993,
1999, you
pa
left
po.
1993? When did you leave?
1999 pa po.
1999. Sige po. Pero sabi mo, founding member ka, so, pero wala kayong nakita pala. Okay.
So far, wala.
Kasi sana, kung meron, i-encourage natin sila ngayon na magreklamo sila because this might be a violation of the revised penal code. How is it enforced pala? How is it enforced? Sabi mo kasi, sa Prayer Mountain, you're free to roam around eh. Pwede kang gumalaw. So, paano kung super gutom ka na? Can you cheat? Can you cheat on the dry fasting punishment?
We were tempted to do that, but because we were so afraid, baka madagdagan pa yung araw pag malaman.
Okay. Meron kang kinikwento na although hindi ikaw yung involved, sabi mo lang na may close tent, may mga ganon. Tapos may mga ministro na sila na mismo nagpatakas doon sa mga pinapanish, no? So naawa na rin siguro sila na napaka-severe ng mga punishment. But you did not experience that eh, kaya medyo ano yan. Did you actually witness it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then did the ministers actually tell you na pinatakas namin ito si...
No, I was just told after those incidents when they got connected to me.
So kasi ang lumalabas na issue dito, Madam Chair, is if there is a religious group or an organized group na meron silang system of punishment, baka yung mga severity naman ng mga punishment, baka some of these punishments already cross the line, ano? Na they may amount to already violation of the revised penal code. Sige. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you also, Minority Leader. So, Mr. Resita, Ate Ging, again, salamat kaayo and please stay on for the rest of our hearing, lalo na kung may ibang mga issues na ma-raise na gusto rin naming itanong sa inyo. At this